The mini compact transformer consists of 3-compartment, low voltage, high voltage, and transformer compartment with protection level IP67 and IP3X for indoor. The special installation methods of transformer radiator make it different with another mini substation. It uses avocado green to blend better with the installation environment. It has the advantages of small volume, convenient installation, low cost, safe and reliable operation, so that is suitable for residential district, urban public, downtown, construction power supply, and so on.